Hey, how's it going, guys? This is David from the tacticaldriver.com, and I'm here to show you guys a nice little tip you can do on your Samsung Galaxy devices. I got the Galaxy S8. I'm sure it will work with the others, but first let's get this tip started. So first we want to go to the home screen, and from here you want to tap on your recent button, or depending on how you have it set up on your phone. For me, I have to slide up my finger. And now I'm into this car view, which is the multitask window. And once you're in here, you see that little icon at the very top, the LYFT icon. And on this one, we have the Uber icon. So we're gonna tap on that. Hopefully you'll see my touch. And then open up this menu. On this one, I always go for the open and split screen view, which is the second from the top. Since this is the longest, I don't have to read it. I know that that's gonna be the one I'm looking for. The other ones I don't care too much about. So we go ahead. This show up in the screen, the top. Now at the bottom, we have the apps that we want to select open, and usually this is how I keep Uber and Lyft open together. Same here. Just click on it, tap on it, and from here you could adjust the size of the window up and down. First, let's say you need more space on Lyft or Uber. I'm trying to get this to show. You could do that as well. If you want to show more of Uber, put your finger on the blue line, bring it up, and it automatically stops at a certain height. And there it is. Also, what you could do is go back to the middle. So when the right pop comes up, you could easily turn it off and accept the one on Lyft, or I mean Uber, and that way you don't have to be closing one app and reopening the other while you're driving, because you want to be hands-free for most of the time. So this is a nice little trick to get out of this. You just hit your home button. There's the X at the very top, and that's it. Then that's how you get out. I hope you guys like this tip and trick. Subscribe for more tips coming up, and also if you want to sign up for Uber, you could come to my website at the tacticaldriver.com, and I have here a referral code, and you can sign up, or you get $2 off your first 3 rides. I recommend you check it out. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.